subject is Basic English. Subject code is 101F. Today's our topic is making requests. Making requests. So let us see how can we request in different situations. You can use the following phrases and expressions when asking someone to do something for you. So let us see how can we use making request. What kind of helping verbs we use while we request somebody something? Will, would, can, could. We use these helping verbs to make requests. Okay. Will you please? Would you please? Can you please? Could you please? Like that we can use this sentence. And not only in that way, do you mind? Do you mind? Or do you think you could? Do you think you could? So particularly these sentences, will, would, can, could, we use these sentences to make request. Okay. Can you please allow me? Can you please allow me? Could you please? Okay. Do you mind? So we can use in different ways. So let us see some examples are given here. Making request. While we make request, we use these sentences. Do you think it would be possible to? Do you think it would be possible to? Would it be possible for you to? Would it be possible for you to? Would there be any possibility of? Would there any possibility of? Would you be kind enough to? Would be kind enough to you. So we can use these helping verbs in this way. And here are also given some more examples to make requests. Can you give me the book? Can you give me the book? So it is sometimes it is not a polite way. Can is not used in a polite way. So can is express us our capacity. Can is used our ability or our capability. So in general, in sometimes we can use can also to ask something. Could you please take me off your raincoat? Could you please take me to the dentist? Could you please take me to the dentist? This is called making requests. And here are given some more examples regarding this topic. Would you be kind enough to repair my computer? Would you please kind enough to repair my computer? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Do you think you could take me to the supermarket? Could I ask you to take me home? So we use these examples to make requests. And let us discuss some more examples. Can you tell me what happened? Can you tell me what happened? Would you mind operating the? Would you mind opening the window for me, please? Okay. So this is the topic, making requests. Thank you all of you.